Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in English grammar, that is report writing. In this video, we will understand the basics of report writing. First, we learn what is report writing, then we'll understand its format, and then finally we'll look an example at the end. So, without a further go, let's get started. So, what is a report? A report is a clear and concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. Please note the three important parts of this definition here. The 3 points are clear, concise, and purpose. Clear means it should possess clarity of the expression and must not deviate from the objective. Obviously, it should not go here and there, it should be apt and on point. The next is concise. Concise means it should be of shorter length, means it should not be that much brief or not that much lengthy. Generally, it is of 200 words, but it depends on the question that what word limit is being provided. Next is purpose. Purpose means it is written to provide important information, or it may be regarding an event or an incident, or maybe for a particular audience. Means whenever we are writing a report, we should know the purpose of the report, what type of information we are providing to our audience. It should be clear, concise, and it should be very much specific. It should not have unnecessary things. So basically it is all about the definition. Now let's see what is there further. So one more thing I would like to add is a report can be written for a school or a college magazine, or it could be written for a journal or the newspapers. Please remember this definition to write the report. Now let's see some important points to be remembered while writing the report. The first and the foremost step or the point is the report must be written in the past tense. Means you should know about the tenses, or you must have the knowledge of tenses. Secondly, we don't use the first person in writing report, that is I, we, me. We don't use it. We try to use third person. Okay. Then third one is we use indirect speech while writing any report, and the fourth one is we use passive voice while writing any report. So student, these were some important points which you should keep in your mind. Now let's understand the format of a report. First, we need to draw a rectangular box. Sometimes it is not necessary to draw a box, but it makes your report attractive. Then the second is, in the middle, in the first line, write the heading of the report in the capital letters. Always remember that the heading contains the event's name. Then the third one is, after that, in the right hand corner, mention reported by, or the name of the person who has written the report, or its or his designation if any. Then the fourth point is, in the left hand corner, write place of the event, and below that the date on which the report is written. Keep this in mind. Then the last one is, after that the body of report needs to be written. That is all about the report now. The body of the report is divided into 3 sections. First is introduction, then the main content, then the conclusion. In introduction, try to answer the questions in the sequence. That is, what is the event, who conducted it, when was it conducted, and where was it conducted. In the second line, try to answer why was the event conducted, and in the third line, you can write the names of the participants or the volunteers that took part in the event. Then coming to the second paragraph, that is the main content. Here you have to write how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. Yes, now here it is the main content. What you have seen in the event, you have to write the highlights of that. Then at the end, the conclusion is there. Here there you have to write, or there you have to summarize the end of the event with a positive note. With this full format of report writing, you will be able to write the report. I hope that this is the easiest way to write the report, and with this full format of report writing, you'll be able to write any kind of report. So that's all about report writing in this video. If you have any doubt, you can message me or you can comment below. Thank you, students.